Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Never done perfume review, but it's always the start of something. Like, I'm always trying something on my channel, so there it is. In today's videos, I'm reviewing the Ariana Grande. I used to say Ariana Grande, like in French. Grande means like tall. Yeah, and as you can see, I use like a little bit, and this is like 50 millimeters of perfume. I say perfume, but I should say water. Okay, I'm joking, but it was that pricey anyways. So for the price, it was $60 plus taxi. Packaging now, as you can see, I don't have the the boxes, because the box of that perfume, because it takes too much place, so I just throw the box in the garbage. In the garbage, I mean, you know what I mean. So this takes a lot of space. Like, the actual perfume is like this little, and then you see the cloud here, and then you see the perfume goes right into the cloud. Me, it looks kind of like childish, like Ariana Grande. I'm so excited to buy this perfume, and it comes that the perfume doesn't do shit for me. Excuse my language, but it doesn't do like people who were reviewing this perfume, like it, loved it so much. They were comparing this perfume to the Baccarat 540, I believe. I think this perfume smells really good, but they were saying that this was like a dupe. But hey, it has sweet milk, coconut, vanilla, nutty.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, hogs, dogs, chicken, turkeys, rabbits, you name it! God damn it!
Nutty, I think. I think the sweetness. Wow. Let me smell it again. For me, it is not too sweet. Like, it's just it's not that sweet. Vanilla, I mean, kind of. Coconut, I don't smell any coconut. Maybe because I'm bad with to sense things like perfume. But for me, this perfume doesn't stand out like to the rest of the little perfume collection that I have, and the rest that I have scented in my entire life. This perfume, this is my first celebrity perfume that I ever bought. So the longevity of the perfume, well, it doesn't last. Like, people were saying that it lasts a lot, but as you can see, you need a lot of sprays to get throughout your days. Remember, in the middle of the day, I just sprayed again just so I can smell it, and people around me can smell it too. That is really lightweight. You barely scent anything unless you put a bunch of perfume or sprays. Now I smell it, like, it's really subtle. Like, if you like basically to subtle perfume, this is for you. Like, people, I mean, it's really like, it's very like you have nothing on, but you can smell it yourself a little bit, but I doubt it that people around you can smell it. Expectation for this perfume were too high. Like, I was like, oh my god, this perfume has to be the one, like the no pricey one that I can buy it, because you know what, I don't have like $100 to spend on perfume alone. Like, I need to save for other things, so I was a bit like, it was deceiving. I was really upset that it didn't work for me, but hey, I have a lot of left, so I'm going to use like a lot of sprays every day. But other than that, I think the the perfume, I will still wear the perfume. Like it's too sweet, it's not too sweet, like barely, like nothing on my clothes, but I will find some ways to make it work, maybe with body sprays and, you know, fragrance, lotion. I will try to make it work. If you want another perfume review, just, you know, hit me and follow me, follow my social, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.